In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on your Wise account. This process is simple and only takes a few minutes to complete, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to grab your mobile device or sit down at your computer and open the Wise app or website. You can access your Wise account from anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet source to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once you've opened the app or the website, log into your account if you're not already signed in. Now that you're logged in, take a look at your main dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your account, including various currency balances you might hold, such as USD, GBP, or any other currency you deal with. To receive money, you'll want to tap on the currency balance that corresponds to the currency you're expecting money in. For instance, if someone is sending you dollars, tap on the USD balance. This is important because Wise supports a variety of currencies, and selecting the correct one ensures that the transfer goes smoothly. Once you've tapped on the correct currency balance, look for an option that says Receive or Account Details. It's usually visible on that page and designed to be easily accessible. This step gears you up ready to gather the vital account information needed for receiving the funds. Now here comes the key part: copying the account information. This will typically include details like the account number and possibly other identifiers depending on the currency and your location. Some people may see IBANs, SWIFT codes, or routing numbers, especially if dealing cross borders or with different financial infrastructures. Make sure you copy this information accurately. The last step is to share this account information with the person who will be sending you the money, whether you're messaging them over chat, shooting them an email, or simply telling them over the phone. Ensure you communicate these details accurately so there is no room for mistakes. If the sender is not familiar with Wise, you might want to let them know how easy it is to send money using this platform from their end as well. And that's it, you're all done. Once the sender processes the payment on their end, you should see the amount reflected in your Wise account balance as soon as the transfer is complete. By following these simple steps, you've now empowered yourself to easily receive money from anywhere around the globe using Wise. This platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making international transfers effortless, cost-effective, and swift for all business and personal needs. Thanks for watching.